if you want to know the disk use of specific directory, then you will use du command. The du command will show the disk uses of specific directory. The syntax of command is du, and it will show us the all size of all files and directories in our home directory, and here it will show the total size. Now this is not understandable for us. To see in human readable form, we will use du minus h option. It will show us the size in MB. Now let's change directory by using cd command, cd, and check the size of this directory by using du. It will show us the size of files and directories in this. Now if we want to use in human readable, then du minus h, it will show us the human readable form. Now if we want to see the total size, total count, we will use du minus c and then human readable form. Now it will show the total size of this directory. Now if we want to go back to our home directory and run du minus h, it will show us the total files and directories inside our home directory. Now if we want to show only the summary, then we will use du minus s option. It will show us the summary. Now if we use it again with human readable form, and we will use h option, and it will show us the total size of this home directory.